How to make use follow spline motions in sequencer. First, we create a new sequencer. Then drag the zebra into the sequencer. Then we create a spline. Select models and draw the spline. When drawing the splines, click and drag the mouse to draw a curve. When we finish drawing the spline, we need to add the blending path to our model. We play the animations. Our models have already moved along the spline. Next, we need to add animation to the zebra. We adjust the speed by adjusting the length of the spine actor. Next, we need to add another animation to the zebra. We use Wayne's keyframes on the animation track to switch the animation. 0 means no animation, 1 means animation. If both are 1, then the final animation is between of 2. I want the zebra to walk for a while and stop and look around and then run away. At this time, we need to add other keyframe to the spline actor. Copy the current keyframe and paste it at the end of the animations of looking around. We also need to add an animation of the zebra running. Switch the animations by using the Wayne's keyframe on the animation track. we play the animation, which is precisely the effect I want. But we still need to adjust some details. We can make your animation look more natural by adjusting the position of the spine at the keyframe and choosing its keyframes properties. You need to spend more time and patience to achieve better results. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.